So today we are going to make the bristles for this brush. So as you can see, we have two models. One is this body mesh, another one is the hidden mesh that I just kept little under this body mesh. So from here I'm going to grow the bristles. So first we need to select this model, then we have to go to here in the particle section, then hit on this plus sign, then go to here. After that you need to give some value there, so I'm going to give 300, so you can give the value as you need. Then the hair length we need to decide how much we need. After that we have to go there in the children, this section. So from here we can give like 100 or else 50 also, I think good for that. Yep. After that we have to clump it. So for that go to this clumping section, then just reduce this value. Yeah, we are done with that. So now we need to set some material for that. So body, what you can go from EV to, you can do it cycles, then go here in the material section. You can give a material and give a suitable color for that. And for the groom section, we need to do this. After selecting the bristles, we are going to give a new shader. Then from this principal BSTF, we can give it to principal here BSTF. After that you have to just select the color, which one is perfect for you. Yep, we're done with that. If you have any doubt, just comment in the comment box. See you in the next video.